Hi everyone, this is me Adyson Colleggtibles, and today I'm going to open Hatchimals that are purple. There's two Hatchimals and a nest. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This is the nest. And see what's inside. So what you do is you hold the egg in your hand, flip it hard, and it changes to purple and pink. It's ready to hatch. When it's ready to hatch, you press above the heart with your thumb, and you continue pushing until the egg will be removed. I can move my hand if I want. I see it now. See, I'm doing it. His name is Owl. His name is Owl. Oh. My both Hatchimal is a seal, and he can fly because he has wings. Oh! Ah! He fell! I can just do it like this. I think this one's made to hatch. There it is, my first Hatchimal. I'm going to wait until my brother opens up the next Hatchimal. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Oh, I know I can stick in here. How could you stick in there, egg? Crack this. Oh, I'm trying to crack it. Oh, there you go.